go first.
Oh, that's just a tail. Get the body in there. Oh.
Tastes like beef jerky. Get my protein in today.
Can you try that abdomen for me?
All right.
Kaylin's mowing down on scorpions.
I think I'm gonna have to pass on the rest. That's all I gotta say. But you know what? I tried it. I didn't throw up. It's got a weird aftertaste. But
What is it?
kind of chalky. I don't know. It's
Chalky.
Okay, Tyler, it's your turn.
It doesn't look too appetizing. It looks like mold on the inside.
There you go. Get it in.
Try it.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
You're not selling it, babe.
I don't think I could eat too many of these.
Eat one of the, I think the legs and stuff are crunchier. They don't have all the...
Is it okay to eat them all? Everything. Shit. I'm gonna take a claw out. This little claw.
Little claw action. There you go. It's for his brother. His brother is like, you gotta eat bugs. So.
What is that?
Scorpion.
Oh, the tarantulas are better.
Try this. You want it?
No, I had one last night.
Oh, well, you didn't have one today.
No, and I won't.
You're full. It's like eating a crab claw. It's like the same. Like, oh, I have some shells. I should spit them out. Everything's telling me to spit it out right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. I want to start off with a leg.
It's like chips. I can hear it.
Yeah.
Just tell yourself it's chips.
It doesn't. The legs don't really taste like anything. It'd be great with some hot sauce. I go for some Cholula. Try that.
That is probably better out of everything.
There's plenty of spider to go around.
That's actually not bad.
Do you want a spider leg?
I'm okay.
It's really not that bad. This is the best thing you've tried so far.
Yeah. The little spider legs. Eat it. It's for Quentin. Oh, that was a good one. That's so good. Just finish it off, buddy. You're already in it this deep.
I just feel like I'm gonna like bite it.
Just, it's it. Then it's over. It's over. You're done.
No, there's like a 2-minute chewing phase. Okay.
Da-na-na-na.
I think I did this wrong. Like, it would have been cooler just to eat it whole, but baby steps. The butt of the spider.
Is it squishy? Tastes like spider webs? Is it cream filled?
It's not good at all. That's the worst part.
Good chance.
Wow. Ah! Oh, gecko hopped on my shoulder.
Oh.
Ah. Quentin, it's for you. Dax, that was for you. I had no desire to do that. Man, that spider butt was nasty.
Good job, babe.